guys, welcome to my channel. So as you know, on the title of the vid, fish spinners. I actually got 2 of them. So these ones are cheap, but they're pretty good. These ones, they're pretty good. So who's the best at spinning? See that? This is cheap. It's kinda like 100 pesos. Pesos, not dollars. This, I don't know. I didn't buy this. So Mimi. So here you gonna see this. This is black, yellow, and green. Not a very good color. So I wish this red one was actually black, and then this circle. That sound racist. This red here, I wish it was color black, and this is red, and then this is also red. This is red. That's pretty good. You can actually do a trick with this, but still I cannot do it. Holy, it's been months since I didn't play with this. Oh my god. I feel it coming now. That was close. So here we got this. Kind of looks like the sheep drive. Oh yeah, it was actually movable. So you can adjust to what weight do you want. So if I want this kind of weight, pretty cool. But I want this kind of weight. Pretty little progress here. Machine. So yeah, that's all for today. Make sure to subscribe and like this vid, and then comment what do you want to be the next vid. Bye.